Hello friends, myself Dr. V.R. Dangar, MBM Science and Home Science College, Rajkot. Today I am discuss about explain the structure of SnCl2 stannous chloride or tin 2 chloride or discuss the shape of stannous chloride molecule. So the structure of SnCl2 is an example of sp2 hybridization with one unshared means lone pair of electrons. Here sp2 hybridization. What is sp2 hybridization? We learnt about sp2 hybridization. 1s and 2p orbital can be combined to give a set of 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals is known as sp2 hybridization. Now let's discuss about electronic configuration of SnCl2 molecule. In ground state of Sn atom, Z is equal to 15, valence shell, krypton, 4d10, 5s2, 5p2 and 5d0. So in ground state of stannous atom, there are one paired electron and two unpaired electrons are available. So how many atoms will join this Sn stannous molecule? So 2Cl atom. So in SnCl2 only required 2 unpaired electron. So here 2 unpaired electrons are available. So direct this unpaired electron in each combine with 2Cl atom. This 2Cl atom to form 2 sigma bond, and here this is 5s electron pair is lone pair of electron which is not take part in bond formation, but we consider in hybridization. So 1s and 2p orbital. So sp2 hybridization will be occurring in SnCl2 molecule. So in SnCl2 molecule there are 3 electrons pair are available, 1s and 2p. Therefore 3 electron pair here. In 3 electron pair there are 2 sigma and 1 lone pair of electron. So 1 lone pair and 2 sigma, total number of 3 electrons pair. So sp2 hybridization will be formed in SnCl2 molecule. So in SnCl2 molecule 1 lone pair and 2 bond pair of electrons, therefore total pair of electrons 3. So sp2 hybridization, according to its hybridization, it is expected to be trigonal planar shape and expected bond angle is 120 degree, but actual angle is less than 120 degree, actual of a greater repulsion between the bond pair of electrons and lone pair electrons than the bond pair of electron and bond pair electron. So here one rule of VSPR, valence shell electron pair repulsion rules. 1, the repulsion order is here lone pair is greater than lone pair is greater than bond pair. Therefore structure of SnCl2 is angular or bent shape in bond angle is 95 degree. So here geometry is disturbed in SnCl2 molecule. If normal sp2 hybridization, we can assume that if sp2 hybridization there is trigonal planar structure and bond angle 120 degree, but here one lone pair is present in SnCl2 molecules valence shell. So one lone pair and 2 bond pair, lone pair electrons are oriented or in space, they are spread, its electron cloud is more spread in space. So lone pair electrons are repels near bond pair of electrons. So geometry of SnCl2 will be distorted and not ideal trigonal planar structure or geometry, and not will be observed there 120 degree. So in SnCl2 molecule there is no trigonal planar, but angular or bent shape is observed due to one lone pair of electron, and bond angle not 120 degree but 95 degree will be observed due to one lone pair of electron. So here shape of SnCl2 molecule, sp2 hybridization, shape angular shape, one lone pair of and two bond pair of electrons. So here this shape is angular or bent shape will be observed in SnCl2 molecule. Now let's another example of carbonate ion, hybridization in carbonate ion. So in electronic configuration of carbonate ion, here central atom is carbon. So electronic configuration of carbon atom, Z is equal to 6. In ground state of carbon atom, electronic configuration or valence shell is helium 2s2 2p2. So in ground state of carbon atom has two paired and two unpaired electrons are available in ground state of carbon atom. But in carbonate ion there are four unpaired electrons are required in carbon valence shell. So in transition state of carbon atom, by gaining some energy, or in transition state carbon atom, one electron of 2s orbital will be promoted to this 2pz orbitals. Now there are four unpaired electrons are available. These four unpaired electrons in each combine with three oxygen atom. Here three oxygen atom and CO3 minus 2 molecule ion will be formed, and sp2 hybridization here occurring. So there are three sigma bond and one pi bond in carbonate molecule. So sp2 hybridization in carbonate ion. So in carbonate ion, carbon atom shares 4 electron forming 4 bond. Out of these 3 are sigma and 1 pi bonds are excluded from hybridization, and therefore carbonate ion has trigonal planar shape. The bond angle is 120 degree. However, carbon atom has no lone pair of electron, and hence the molecule has a regular geometry. As carbonate ion has two negative charges, it is implied that two oxygen atom have an extra electron, while third oxygen is normal, means here O minus 1 and O neutral normal. The half-filled unhybridized orbital of carbon form a pi bond with that of oxygen atom having no extra electrons, and thus bonded by a double bond to carbon atom. So here geometry of carbonate ion, sp2 hybridization will be occurring there, and geometry is due to sp3 hybridization trigonal planar, and bond angle is 120 degree. Here pi electron density, here one sigma bond and one pi bond, pi electron density surrounded to bond axis. Therefore pi bond is negligible from hybridization. Therefore there is no sp3 hybridization, but only sp2 hybridization in carbonate ion. There is no pi bond will considered in hybridization because of its pi electron density will be surrounded to the bond axis. So it is negligible from hybridization. So this is trigonal planar structure of carbonate ion, CO3 minus 2 ion. Now another last example in hybridization is sulfate ion, SO4 minus 2 sulfate ion, or hybridization in sulfate ion. Atomic number of sulfur is 16. Here electronic configuration of sulfur in valence shell neon 3s2 3p4 3d0. So in ground state of sulfur atom there is one electron pair, or two electrons are paired and two unpaired electrons are available in ground state of sulfur atom. So in ground state there are only two unpaired electrons which are form easily sigma bond. So in SO4 molecule one S will combine or join with 4 oxygen atom. So number of unpaired electrons will not available in ground state of sulfur. So in excited state or transition state of sulfur atom has these 3s and 3p, one electron will be promoted to this 3d2 vacant orbital. So in excited state of sulfur atom, now there are 6 unpaired electrons are available in transition state of sulfur. So these 6 unpaired electron in each combine with 4 molecules of oxygen atom. Here 2 oxygen and 2 normal oxygen atom and 2 O minus 1 negative charge atom. So in each combine with these 4 oxygen atom to form 1s and 3p orbital to forming here sp3 hybridization. So here sp3 hybridization in sulfate ion or sulfate molecule ion. So there are 3 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds. We know that these 2 pi bonds will not participate in hybridization because its pi electron density will be surrounded to bond axis. So pi bond is negligible from hybridization. So in SO4 minus 2 molecule there is a sp3 hybridization in SO4 molecule. The net charge on SO4 minus 2 ion is minus 2. Sulfur combines with 4 oxygen atoms forming 4 bonds, thus using 4 pair of electrons. Also sulfur atom has no lone pair electrons. The number of hybrid orbitals used is 4. It is 1s and 3p orbital as per sequence. Thus it is case of sp3 hybridization, and therefore SO4 minus 2 molecule is tetrahedral in shape. The 2 half-filled d orbitals form pi bonds with 2 oxygen atoms having no extra electron and thus bonded by double bond to sulfur atom. Thus this type of geometry of sulfate molecules ion in observer sulfate molecule ion, sp3 hybridization, and geometry of sp3 hybridization is normal tetrahedral. If tetrahedral, so there is a bond angle. If in methane molecule there is 109 degree and 28 minute, here bond angle is 109 degree and 5 minute. Why this lower from methane? So here 2 pi bonds are available in SO4 molecule. So multiple bonds, or due to pi bonds there is a decreasing of bond length. So here bond angle is 109 degree and 5 minute in SO4 molecule. So this is one of the best example of sp3 hybridization, which is sulfate molecule ion. Thanks.